Hi everyone, my name is Veronica Homer and I work as an instructor for the Accounting and Business program here at Create Career College. I've been teaching here for the past 18 months or so. I originally qualified as an accountant with a professional qualification in accounting, and then after that moved on to get my master's in accounting. But I found my passion in post-secondary education, teaching as an instructor, and thereafter I moved on to get my master's degree in higher education. So that's where I have really solidified my passion towards teaching. As an instructor for the Accounting Diploma program here at CCC, I take courses such as financial accounting, managerial accounting, and very interestingly, some business courses also, which give the students a very holistic idea of how the entire business world operates. Furthermore, what makes the program better is that there are courses such as microeconomics and macroeconomics, which makes things even better by giving the students a practical understanding of how the global economic arena actually functions. As an instructor, what I think makes my teaching approach special here at CCC is that I try to teach students based on experience. I try to help them understand what really takes place in the corporate business world, training them to take on various challenges, navigate all different areas and aspects, so that when they start their co-op program, they will be indeed ready to take on any challenge that comes their way. And of course, I do try my best along with the other instructors to mold students to be ready for the very challenging and very interesting corporate business world in the area of accounting and business. At CCC, our classrooms are very diverse. So as an instructor, I've tried my best to give all the students the same exposure to the field of accounting. And the best thing is the chance of taking the knowledge of those students who have that very deep experience and giving them the opportunity to share it with the more younger, the more newer students who are interested to learn from their colleagues. So at CCC, I think that whenever I teach, along with the other instructors, we try our best to give all students a great opportunity to share their knowledge, learn from each other, and bring the best to the classroom. After all these months of teaching here at CCC and meeting wonderful students from various walks of life and seeing their success stories, I can confidently tell you that your education journey at CCC will be one that is entirely rewarding and one that is definitely fulfilling. So I invite all of you who are interested in the areas of accounting, business, finance, to speak to an advisor here at CCC, and they will be extremely happy to guide you through any questions that you have, giving you a wonderful view into what your education journey and your subsequent career could look like here. Thank you very much.